What's up, beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notification bell is on because you are not gonna want to miss this video or any other videos like this one. Okay, so first things first, y'all, let's talk about 2023. Like, I feel like 2023 was supposed to be like, I don't know, I just feel like it's supposed to be like more going on. So I'm about to make more go on for me, y'all. So I have signed up for like multiple different vendor events within the Texas area because y'all know I recently moved to Texas. So y'all, I'm gonna be doing vendor events in Austin, Houston, Fort Worth, Dallas. Like, I'm traveling this summer, and what better way to travel and not take your business? So this is your sign to sign up for some vendor events, y'all, and just make sure the vendor events that y'all signing up for are like big vendor events, okay? But anyways, y'all, today I'm gonna just be talking to you guys about like just some different like side hustles or like ways that I am like building my business, as well as, you know, just things to make you some money. Maybe you need to make some coins and you don't feel like going to a 9-to-5. So, okay, the first thing that digital products, you need to be creating digital products. And you guys, I came across this really good website, and I'm gonna pin it down in the description because I don't want to butcher it and I don't want to tell y'all the wrong thing, and I don't feel like going through all that. But anyways, I'm gonna put it down in my description. Y'all make sure y'all go there, and they have a bunch of different ebooks and different things that you can literally get now, and you can rebrand them, you can white label them, however you want to do it. I honestly recommend that you sell something that you are in the niche of. So like, you're not gonna catch me selling you stuff on how to change tires, and I'm in the freaking beauty industry, okay? So just make sure y'all try and like stay in y'all industries. Like, I know this video, y'all, is kind of gonna be everywhere. I'm just kind of like rambling and just telling y'all like the different things that's going on with me, as well as like with business. Like, I'm just really like, I'm really trying to like stay focused on like the mission, okay? Because it's like, one day I want to do this, the next day I want to do that. Drop down in the comments if you're feeling the same way, because I know it's not just me. But yeah, y'all, so I have my itty little, yes. So we launched our press on nail line, beauties. Can y'all see? Cause it's like not focusing, okay? Y'all see? Super excited. These are our cloud nails. They're only $9.99. So make sure you go to our website and check them out. We have some green Frenchies. Can never go wrong with the French tips, and these are green. Why is it not focusing? Okay, there they go. They're so cute. Yes. I'm putting them up close because it seems like that's when it focuses. But they're really cute, guys. I absolutely want to say thank you for supporting me, y'all. Just supporting me thus far, with us being in over 600 locations. If God don't do nothing else, he's already done enough, and I'm beyond thankful for the opportunities that my brand has had, and for the future opportunities that we will have. And that's why I wanted to talk to you, beauties. Like, if there's something that you want to do within your brand, go do it. Do not let nobody stop you from being great or make you think like you can't do whatever it is that you're called to do. So yeah, y'all. So y'all, anyways, I got a story for y'all, and y'all tell me if I'm wrong, okay? Y'all tell me if I'm wrong, because I really don't feel like I'm wrong. So y'all know, like I said, I just moved to Texas. Well, not just, y'all, I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary. Not to mention, hold on, wait. We just celebrated our 3-year anniversary of Be Minked Beauty in May. It's June 1st. May 2020 is when we officially got our LLC. So shout out to Be Minked Beauty, y'all. And like I said, thank y'all for rocking with me, because like, as a business owner, you be so caught up in everything else you be having going on, y'all. It didn't even dawn on me. It did not dawn on me that we were at our 3 years until I went to a networking event last week, and we had to basically like just talk about our business, and you know, people wanted to know, when did you start your business and all those great things. That it didn't dawn on me that it was 3 years in May, until the end of May when I went to a networking event. Don't let that be you with your business. Like, it be so much going on that you forget to celebrate the small things. And don't get me, 3 years in business is not small. You know what I mean? It's exciting, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got my LLC May 5th of 2020. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And now, at the end of June, it'll officially be 1 full year inside of City Trends. You guys, I've had consistent orders with them. It's been crazy. It's really been crazy, to the point like my press-on nails are getting ready to launch in City Trends, you guys. Like, it's ridiculous. So yes, also if you are in the beauty industry and you are looking to, you know, get that exposure, you're looking to get your feet wet within, you know, getting your products in retail stores, and you're looking at a great place to start, my vending machines are looking for we're looking for products. So we're currently looking for different products within the beauty industry. So with that being said, you guys, I've had people reach out to me who sell lashes, like I sell lashes. And you guys, the only problem with that is I want products that are not currently in my machine. I want different products to offer to my beauties. I'm already offering them eyelashes. So unless you are a young entrepreneur that is just getting started in the industry and you need a helping hand when it comes to your eyelash business, I'm not really interested in carrying other eyelash brands. But like I said, if you are a younger entrepreneur, you're in high school, hit me up. And if you, I'll say high school because I really don't think no middle schoolers will be selling eyelashes. But whatever. But I say high school too, because you know what I'm saying, after you graduate, sometimes you don't know what you want to do next. You don't know what it is. And you may have this awesome business or this awesome business idea, and you kind of don't know where to start or if it's even something you can do. So I would love to hold your hand through the process and let you know that it's something you can definitely do, and we're gonna get it done. Because I honestly wish it was something like this when I turned 18 that I knew about and that I could participate in. So yes, that is that on that. My email is info@beminkedbeauty.com. It'll also be in the description. And so yes, so what else was I talking to you about? Because I kinda forgot. Yeah, y'all, this video was just like a, hey, how you doing? type of video. And oh my story time. Okay, boom. So y'all, back to the story time. See what I'm saying? That's how my mind really be. But y'all, anyway, so I had dropped my products. Well, I didn't drop. I had went to reach out to an owner of the store about my products going in there, and I had left samples and all that good stuff, y'all. And the lady ended up telling me like, oh, your products currently aren't a good fit for the demographic that we have. You know, we'll reach out if we want to maybe move forward in the future once, you know, like once we kind of get out there, because we're still a new beauty supply store. Great. Okay, so you guys, I like to support Black-owned beauty supply stores, so I ended up just going in there on a random Wednesday, let's say. Why did I see my product on the shelves? Excuse me, y'all. The time is currently, y'all see the time? It's 12:16, so excuse me. But why did I end up seeing my product on her shelves? And I don't know, y'all, that just kind of like, it really hurt my feelings, because it's like, dang, you told me that like my products weren't a good fit for you, but then I went into your store and I see them on your shelves. And I just feel like as a small Black entrepreneur, there's already so many other things that we are currently facing. So it's like to have to face those things with your own people as well is like really mind-blowing, y'all. So y'all comment below what y'all think. What would y'all do in that situation? I don't know, for me, I just was kind of just, I don't know, I was like disappointed. And I know if it would have been like any other, I feel like if it would have been any other race, I probably would have like did the most on social media, like, and let people know, don't support this company, they steal from small business owners like myself, you know. But I felt like because it was a Black-owned entrepreneur, like we tear ourselves down already within our community, that I just couldn't like partake in it too. Like, although she was wrong, you know, I just felt like I'll let God handle it. And you guys, I'm always letting God handle it, regardless of the person, race, or anything. But when it comes to my business, I really don't play about my business, because I fought for this. I fought hard for my business. So I really be on it. But like I said, I just really wanted to just, I don't know, give her a pass, because she was a Black entrepreneur. Which to this day, y'all, I still kind of be like, because I really should have hopped on that. So y'all comment below, let me know what y'all would have did. I'm not gonna keep rambling and raving. I just want to check in with y'all and just throw out some side hustles, tell y'all about what's going on with me, and just kind of update y'all. Yeah, and y'all let me know like what type of videos y'all want to see and what y'all want to talk about. So until next time, beauties.